the next bag is from Amazon, and I don't know what I paid for it, but you know what it looks like. So I've always wanted a Victon, so I got this to try it out, and I actually bought it in several colors and sold. I had a blue one, and I can't remember, I had another color, and this was the last one, this deep, it kind of looks like boysenberry, but it's beautiful, and it's got feet, and it is leather. It's pebbled leather, and I feel like I paid $150 to $200 for it. Now, this, it has keys in here in the clochette. It's kind of hard to open and close, so I would probably try to find a real one to put on here. But it has that raw inside, and you can see it's brand new. So if you want to try it out, brand new. It's really pretty. And I'm asking $50 for this, because if you've always wanted a Victon, you could try this one out and see if you love it. That was the purpose for me buying this, and I do love it. But I used the other two I had. I sold those, and this is the last one I have. So it's only $50 for a leather bag, and it is genuine leather. And I know I paid a lot more for it. I just don't remember what I paid, so I'm just going to put a very low price on it just to get it out of here. So if you love a Victon, you would love this. All right, we're going to switch gears. I have a beautiful, kind of a velvety, it feels like real velvet, and I don't know the brand, but it's a bag organizer, and it fits a Neverfull MM or any bag that size. Beautiful, and it has a zipper, so if you want to be able to zip your Neverfull or any other bag that it fits. And it has a divider, and the divider is also a pocket, and it unzips. Okay, so this is beautiful. It's so soft. Look at that. It's so soft. Anyway, $25 for this. I don't even know where I got it. Probably Amazon. Anyway, my battery went dead. I don't really know where I got it. I think I got it from Amazon. I don't know, you guys. Maybe somebody sent it to me. I just can't remember, and I don't even know the brand. I don't see a brand on any of the hardware, but the zipper is buttery, and it's a beautiful organizer. And for $25, you can't beat it. Especially if you have like a Neverfull with a red interior. Be beautiful with this one, because it's very, very pretty. So 25 bucks for that. Yes, I'm in the mood to give deals. All right, the next one, you guys, I'm a little embarrassed because I wanted it. It went on sale, and I finally bought it, but I carried it one time, you guys. It's just not for me. I don't know what it is, and it's not even the little handles. I think they're cute. I mean, they're so cute. You can take the crossbody strap off if you want. You can use it. It has this pretty little tag that hangs here. It's a beautiful little bag. I have the dust bag. Now, these were always $2.50, and I got it for $1.25. I found it on sale, and I grabbed it. And I used it once and thought, it's not going to work for me. And I think now the price may be $1.50, $1.75. But I just want my money back, what I paid for it, and that's $1.25. Of course, I paid shipping. But it's so cute, you guys, and so many people love it, and it's been a part of the Coach line forever. So I know that so many people love it. It just didn't work for me. And it's a super cute little bag. You could put it down in a bigger bag. It's just super cute, you guys. Super cute. And somebody needs to buy it for $1.25 for a Coach bag. So all these bags are very reasonably priced. I actually went back and lowered some of them just because I really want to get rid of them. And if you want to offer me a price that's very close to what I'm asking, go ahead. I'll probably accept it. So that's 13 items that I have shared with you so far. And okay, I have another Portland leather good bag. I skipped over it accidentally, so let me grab that. Okay, another Portland leather. So it's the round circle crossbody bag in the boysenberry. So pretty. It says Portland leather right there. Has a big pocket. Smells like heaven. And I've never used it. Maybe this isn't my color. I do have a YSL bag in this color. I don't know, but I only use it in the fall. Now, it's immaculate. It's got a pocket right here. I do want to say all sales are final. It's got this little pull tab. It's just a great little bag. I think this is a beautiful fall color. And it is adjustable. So these Portland leather good bags, I know there for a while, every time I would look on YouTube, somebody was doing a Portland leather good haul and talking about falling down the rabbit hole. And I did buy quite a few, and some of them were gifted to me, but I'm just not going to use this. If I use this color bag, I'm going to use my YSL bag. So this one, the circle crossbody in boysenberry, brand new, never used, retails $172. It was on sale for $88. I'm asking $75 for it. So if you love this color and you love a round bag, and I do, and I have a Louis Vuitton round bag, this is a great buy, under $100 for a leather bag. All right, the next one, I can't believe I'm letting it go, but I have only used this one twice for just a little while. This is Kurt Geiger Kensington Drench, and it's black on black. Look at that, beautiful. Has some shimmery stones on it. This is beautiful, you guys. It's fabulous. It doesn't have a back pocket. It doesn't have feet. But this is a beautiful bag. Black hardware, everything about it is just lovely. It's a very rich looking bag. And I'll open it up and show you the inside. It does have a divider on the inside. Has a large back pocket on the inside. And I think I just used this like we went out to dinner. I didn't use it for very long, and it's just like brand new. So this is current on the Kurt Geiger website now. It is current on the website at $295. I used it once, so we're gonna go $250 on this one. And that's a great buy because $295 plus tax and shipping, it would be well over $300. We're gonna go $250 on this beautiful Kurt Geiger Kensington Drench. All right, guys, are you ready for this? I'm about to pull out the big guns, okay? Because I have a Chanel bag. Yes, my Chanel 19 in the large size. Now, I have been doing research, and on the website, Chanel website, these bags are $8,800. That's insane. And then on the like used pre-loved sites, it just depends on the condition of the bag. And I'm looking at some for $4,800, $6,600, $4,800. Here's another one for $61,000. Here's one for $8,150. It depends when you look for these on the pre-loved site what kind of condition it's in, and this one is in excellent condition. Why am I selling it? I don't know. I don't reach for it much. Like when I first got it, I used it quite a few times. It has a pocket on the back. Look at that. Look at that beautiful supple leather. Look at this beautiful opening. It has the red inside. This is beautiful, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. Leather lined here. It's just, this part is just kind of a silky material. Has a pocket. It's beautiful. And I'm going to stuff it back. You can hold so much in it, and it's a great everyday bag. I just don't reach for it much. And I just don't want to leave it sitting on my shelf because it's too beautiful. And I always wanted the beige one. I don't know. I don't know why I'm selling it, but I don't think I'm gonna regret it. I really love it. I think it's gorgeous. And when I bought it, I absolutely had to have it, you guys. It is a stunning bag. And I feel like $6,000 is a great deal for this bag, okay? I feel like given the prices that I'm seeing on, you know, the pre-loved market and the Chanel website, I feel like $6,000 is a really good price. If you want to offer me a little bit less, I would probably take it, but I would like to recover my money on this one. And it's not to buy another bag, you guys. I'm not selling any of these to buy other bags. I'm just trying to not have so much clutter, because a lot of these bags have just been sitting around in my office, and I don't like having clutter. So this bag, $6,000. I know that's a lot of money for a bag, but it's not a lot of money for a Chanel. So if you really want an authentic Chanel, here you go. So you can offer me a better price and I will consider it. So that's the big gun that I had to show you guys, and that's really all I have right now. I actually do have more things, but I haven't had a chance to go through everything. I'm probably gonna have some Twillies, Louis Vuitton Twillies. I just don't wear that stuff, you guys. There's a couple of them that I do wear in my hair, and I don't put them on my bags because that annoys me. Let me just set this back here for the back of the video. Beautiful. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go through the rest of my things and try to clear all this out. And what I don't sell, it might go on eBay, it might go on Mercari. I may offer some of it, you know, on Instagram. But I wanted to give you guys first shot, because all these bags, I have given you guys the best deal possible. And I did lower some of the prices. This one, I feel like that's a fair price. So I'm just being completely honest with you. And if you're interested in it, let me know, because I definitely am going to sell it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So anyway, you guys, that's really all I have for you tonight. I probably will, as I am clearing out my drawers and closets and things, I'm going to probably do another vlog sale in the near future. All right, so just wanted to give you guys the first shot at all of this. And just message me, YotaLamon@gmail, or on Instagram, YotaStyleLux. You can message me there. All right, guys, so that's it for now, and I will see you very soon in another video on another day. Peace.